Conveniently located minutes from Highway 69 and the shopping and restaurants at the Brazos Town Center sits 2706 Bamboo Lane in the Oaks of Rosenberg. This rare one-story Perry home is 2,663 square feet and features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a study, plus a 3-car garage. Entering the home, you're greeted by tall ceilings and gorgeous ceramic tile, which runs throughout the entire home. The entry hall has plenty of wall space, which is perfect for an art collection. The study, complete with French doors, takes working from home to another level with the amount of privacy this study provides. The open kitchen, breakfast, and family room is perfect for entertaining family and friends, as the island kitchen has a dual sink, granite countertops, and includes the refrigerator. The breakfast area has windows and a door leading to the covered patio, while the family room has a wall of windows and numerous furniture placement opportunities because of its size. The spacious master bedroom has room for a sitting area and includes a ceiling fan with light, while the master bath features dual sinks, quartz counters, a garden tub with separate shower, and dual closets. One of the guest bedrooms is secluded with its own bathroom nearby and is perfect as a mother-in-law suite, while the other guest bedrooms are on the opposite side of the home. The covered back patio also has an extended patio pad and is the ideal setting to spend a quiet evening after a long day. With the Oaks of Rosenberg being so close to everything, 2706 Bamboo Lane is the perfect place to call home.